Let me show you this, our Live 5 camera over downtown West Palm Beach. We got a little breeze blowing things around there. The intracoastal is going to be quite a bit choppy today. Temperatures right now, 54 in Okeechobee, 64 in Belle Glade, 66 in Vero, but almost in the 50s there in Fort Pierce. And we just dropped to 59 degrees in Indiantown, still in the upper 60s and low 70s from Martin County south. But if you want to do a little compare and contrast like we always like to do in South Florida this time of year, we've got 69 degrees in West Palm right now, 32 in Memphis, 31 in Omaha, 43 in Denver, 28 in Albuquerque right now. Burr, New York City at 37 degrees this morning. And here's where we're going to be this afternoon. We should hit 80 in Boca and Delray and Boynton Beach, 79 Wellington, West Palm, 78 Jupiter and Belle Glade, right around 76 degrees in Okeechobee and Sebastian and Vero Beach and Fort Pierce, and about 77 in Stewart, Port St. Lucie and Indiantown today. Couple of showers down here, kind of hanging out just offshore thanks to the cold front that's moving on through, but most of the morning will be very, very sunny. We do expect to see a few more clouds starting to move in this afternoon as winds become more easterly, and we could see a couple of showers move on shore later on this afternoon and this evening. Small craft advisory for boaters today. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Even inland waters will be choppy today. High tide coming up just before 9 o'clock this morning. So high temperatures today, mid to upper 70s. And a couple of 80s possible in our southern communities. It'll be a windy day, a partly sunny day by this afternoon, but mostly sunny this morning. And it's going to be a little bit humid, but not too bad. It's going to feel pretty good. Tonight, 60s inland and along the Treasure Coast to low 70s along the Palm Beach County coast. And we could see some isolated rainfall moving in. And then we do get a boost in moisture tomorrow. This is going to happen twice this week. It's going to happen tomorrow with an extra push of moisture moving in. And it's going to happen again on Thanksgiving, where we do have higher chances for rain now, as it does look like we're going to see some moisture scooting on in. So temperatures tomorrow will be in the low 80s, scattered showers, and maybe a couple of thunderstorms in the mix. Mostly showers, southeasterly winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now rain chances will actually go down a little bit on Wednesday. There's a pocket of drier air that moves in, and there's also quite a bit of dry air headed our way for the weekend. But on Thanksgiving, there is that extra little bit of moisture that's going to be moving in. So it's going to be a warm day. It's going to be a nice day, a little bit of breezy, but mostly cloudy skies, and there is a chance for scattered rainfall, which means Holony will surely have the windows open, but she'll still be inside cooking instead of standing outside in the rain.